Okay, now let's do a couple of examples to go over and review the union sets and intersections. Okay, so here's the Venn diagram. Let's go ahead and try the Venn diagram quickly. So let's look at A, let's look at B, and let's look at the intersection. Now remember, the universe is everything within this. So right now it says that the universe includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 1 is in both A and B. And what other numbers are included in both? 5 and 8. So we know in A we have 1, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And in B, we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. So only number that's not represented so far is 9. So that's out here in the universe. So now we can identify everything else. So what's not in A? 2, 3, 7. So the Venn diagram kind of is a visual to help you solve these quickly. What's not in B? 4, 6. And hopefully you catch what I didn't put on here. So we know 237 is not an A, but is it another number that might be in the universe that's not an A? Yes, 9. Let's also think about what's not in B. Correct. 9 is also not in B. So now we're looking at the intersection. So now we want to look at the intersection. And like I say, it's visually right here, very easy to access. So what's in common with A and B? And it's 1, 5, and 8. So what's not in A and B? So you can look at the universe to see this. So, or you can just visually see the numbers that's not in there. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay. And then we have either or. So either in A or B, and that you can visually see as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, I'm videoing. And then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what's not in either A or B? and that's obviously 9. And then we have to look at not A and B. So we want to know what intersects, what numbers are in common, not A and B. So 2, 3, and 7. And then we have to look at not A, and then we want to look at also the union. So either not A or B. So what's not in A, as you see there, 2, 3, 7, 9. And then look at B, we have 1, 5, and 8. And then we have in either A or C. And there is, I would say, almost like a proof for this one. C is an empty set. So that means it's A. Everything that belongs to A. And what does A equal? 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. And what's in common, A and C? Well, A is 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. C is an empty set. There's nothing there. Therefore, there's nothing in common. This is called empty set. Okay, so I'll create one more video for the example 2, 3, and 4. Tune in for the next video.